Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a get ready with me makeup edition. I'm going out tonight, so I thought I would just share the look that I'm giving. I haven't been really putting on a lot of makeup, so this is definitely going to be a heavier face than I'm used to. But before I start, I'm going to be thanking Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. They sent me 2 items and I'm so excited to share them for my get ready with me. If you don't know what Ana Luisa is, it's a company, I think they were created in New York, but small jewelry company, actually not so small anymore. I feel like they're growing so much. They sell jewelry ranging from gold, silver. They have bundles and they always come out with like new styles here and there. So I am going to be sharing what I got. So first of all, I'm going to be starting off with this beautiful gold coin necklace. I am in love. I'm not too big of a fan on like necklaces that have designs like zodiac signs, so I'm not that big of a fan on this. But I love how this is so subtle. It kind of has just some like ridges inside of the coin and it's so timeless. I'm definitely going to be wearing this tonight. And then the other piece I got were these cute earrings that have like just the cutest design. So I believe it's kind of like a crystal and then it has some kind of crystals on the side, so it kind of looks like a diamond drop down. But I'll definitely have the links below to the products, but I'm just so happy with the ones that I got. I feel like they never rust. Every time I wear Ana Luisa, I wear them in the shower. I am very lazy at changing my jewelry, so I feel like, you know, this is definitely the best type of jewelry for me. I love how it's so dainty and like you can either dress it up or dress it down, very casual. Right now they are having always these sales. They have free shipping and returns throughout the whole US, so if you need a gift for Christmas time, definitely this is your go-to. Definitely just don't disappoint, and I can't wait to show you guys when I actually put them on. Okay, so I already moisturized and prepped my face, but I'm gonna be putting on some foundation. I normally don't put on foundation, just concealer, but since I'm going out tonight, might as well. The foundation I'm going to be starting off with is the Clio Kill Cover Cushion, and this is the Cherry Blossom edition, because you know me, I need to get Cherry Blossom. So it comes with this little padding and it's so cute. It kind of sucks though, because it's like, I know Clio only has a couple of shades and it's not always like meant for, I guess, darker skin. So the shade that I got is pretty light, but I'm just gonna make it work. Usually when I blend it out it looks okay, but look, it definitely already gives that like glass skin look compared to this side. I just love the glow of it. And I like how like it doesn't flake or anything, because I believe the foundation, the mixture is like very hydrating, as you can see by the glow. But as you can tell, you can see how much brighter it is compared to my regular skin tone. But once I put it all over my face, like it should be okay. Over time, the amount of wear that goes out throughout the night, like it usually blends into my skin way better, just because I feel like it needs warming up to do. But yeah, you could see that it's definitely different from my skin tone, but overall it looks so good. Then I'm gonna be skipping concealer for now. I'm gonna go straight into eyes, just because I know some excess powder will be everywhere. But I'm gonna be going in with the, I think it's called Day Seek eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade, or the palette, 07 Milk Latte. So these colors are so cute and neutral. They have some glittery ones and some matte ones, but definitely a good go-to every day. So I'm gonna be going in with this shade. I'm not sure what it's called, but I'll be putting this all over my lid. Just using this as a base. And as you can see, it has a little bit of sparkles on it, so I feel like that's really cute. And I'm gonna be going in with this browner shade and doing it to the edges of my eye. Then I'm going to be going in with the darkest brown and going on more of the outers just to define my eyes a bit. Perfect. And since it is a girls' night out, I'm gonna be going pretty glittery with the shade, so I think I'm gonna be going in with this one, and we'll see how intense it goes onto my eye. It adds so much glitter. Love how that looks on my eyelids. It looks so pretty. So pretty. Okay, and then I'm gonna be going in with the brown felt tip liner. This is from ColourPop and it's in the shade brown. But I feel like I didn't want to go too black because I'm gonna be wearing falsies, but just gonna add a little wing. And I'm not gonna go all the way in because I just want it to be pretty natural looking. I'm gonna be trying something a little different. I've never ever put like the inner edge before, so I'm gonna try that out and see how it looks. I don't know how people do it. It looks a little funny, but I think it looks okay. And then moving on to brows. I'm going to be using the Velour Fluff and Brow Pencil. This is one of my favorite products just because there's so many features to it. So there's the Brow Balm, which is something that you can just put over your eyebrow. Then there's like a spoolie at the end, and then in the middle there is the actual pencil liner. So I love this product, and it's so easily like travel friendly. So I'm not gonna make my eyebrows too thick. I just wanna fix the ends of my brows. And then I'm just gonna use the brow balm to just go over the middle part. And then going in with my lashes, I'm going to be going pretty bold. So these are the Velour and Can't Be Tamed. I feel like they're pretty intense, so can't wait to pop these on, and I'll be right back. These are the lashes. They look so intense and so full, but okay. And now that my eyes are complete, I'm going to be going in with my concealer. I just got this new concealer, so I haven't used it yet. So it is the Pacifica Dreamlit Glow Concealer. Apparently it's supposed to be very hydrating, and I can't wait to try it out. So let's go for it. So far so good. The application feels really nice. I'm just going to be using a brush to just buff it out. so far so good. I love how it feels. It doesn't feel like thick or cakey at all. Matches my color exactly, and I love how it doesn't feel dry or anything. Okay, and then I'm just gonna be going in with a blush. So this is the Merit Flesh Bomb Cheek Color in Terracotta. This is a little too light for my skin complexion, but I like how it just gives me a little bit of a pop. So, and I love cream blushes because it's easier to blend. Okay, and then just gonna be locking it in with my Pore Professional Super Spray. And last but not least, the last step would be the lips. This is the rom&nd lip balm color. This is in the shade Kaya Fake, and I feel like this is perfect for like winter time because it gives like this really glossy but like subtle natural look. And let's see the final look. So thank you again for watching my Get Ready With Me, and I will link all my links below for Ana Luisa, but definitely check them out. You won't disappoint. They definitely make a great gift and great statement pieces for the holidays, and I will see you guys next time.